This sample actually started out on my MPC 2000 in about 1997, 98 is when I first got my MPC 2000. And I kind of worked on it for a little bit and then, just moved on to something else. I'd sampled it off a jazz album. I was really into spiritual jazz at the time. I was listening to a lot of Pharoah Sanders, people like that, Strata East, that record label. And then it just kind of fell by the wayside. And then People Under the Stairs made a track where they sampled it. And I was a bit weird in those days where if somebody made a track with a sample, and I wouldn't want to make a track with that sample anymore. So if I was working on something and I heard a track and somebody else had sampled it, then I'd stop working on it. We didn't have who sampled and stuff like that in those days. So you'd literally come across a sample or somebody would say, oh, so-and-so sampled that. So this track just completely fell by the wayside. But because I've been going through all my old beats, all my old discs and everything, I found this, I stumbled across this, and I absolutely love the original track. And I just thought, well, I've got a bit older now, I'm a bit more chilled. It doesn't really matter, as long as I flip it in a different way, and it's not going to be the same as People Under the Stairs. And I love Thez One, I absolutely love his production, but I knew that what I did with it was going to be slightly different. So I chopped it up again. I mean, the sounds are off my original MPC 2000. And then I'd been listening to some folk music, some like early 70s psychedelic folk kind of stuff. And I found this loop, this vocal that I wanted to use. And it's one of those situations, where you just play something and it just sits over the top perfectly. I had to speed it up. It's sped up by about 20% or something, but as soon as I sped it up, it was in tune. And I mean, what else can you do in that situation?
He's a sweet soul. He's a sweet soul, brother.
Something happens when I see her walking by. She comes and she goes just like a butterfly. Something happens when I see her walking by. She comes and she goes just like a butterfly. Just like a butterfly. Something happens when I see her walking by. She comes and she goes just like a butterfly. Just like a butterfly. Something happens when I see her walking by. She comes and she goes just like a butterfly.
He's a sweet soul brother. He's a sweet soul brother.
Walking by, butterfly. Butterfly. Walking by, butterfly.
He's a sweet soul brother.
Something happens when I see her walking by. She comes and she goes just like a butterfly. Something happens when I see her walking by. She comes and she goes just like a butterfly.
Concierge. Motel.